So we are here today putting together these STEAM kits. Thank you to the generous sponsor of both Collins Aerospace and Lowe's.
It's so important to have this educational programming, especially while kids are not at school and there aren't a lot of activities going on. So we're really excited and appreciate being a partner with Digi-Bridge and love what you're doing. So Collins is focused on engaging youth in science, technology, engineering, and math. And we know that right now, kids have limited access to STEM activities. They're not in summer camp, they weren't in school. So talking with Digi-Bridge, we found out about this great opportunity of developing STEM kits. And so we knew right away it was something we wanted to do, so kids have a chance to do some interactive activities throughout the summer and continue to have energy and excitement around STEM.
Freedom School partners would like to thank Digi-Bridge and Collins Aerospace for donating STEAM kits for our scholars this summer. It has been a particularly challenging summer because of COVID-19, and it has still been our goal to provide high-quality enrichment activities throughout the summer. We couldn't do this without you, and we truly appreciate your support.